Hey, speaking about trains, between Calgary and Edmonton there will be a super speed train, capable to transport people at speeds equal to an airline. It's called Hyperloop. This bullet-like train will levitate inside a tube with no friction and will be moved with magnetic energy. The Hyperloop could reach speeds of 1,000 kilometers per hour.
Everywhere I go, I see oil and gas. Because we're in the city of the Oilers, yo.
Yeah. This National Bank made a building copying like Paris architecture. It looks nice. This is the tallest building in Calgary, this one behind me, the blue one, with the blue lights at the top. From a distance, I could tell that this was definitely the tallest building when we were approaching the city by car. So yeah, I've never seen such an empty city. It's so barren.
Over here, I'm walking by the tallest building in Calgary. As you can see,
This is the tallest building here in Calgary.
The building's name is Brookfield Place. It is a 247 meter tall office tower.
the second tallest building is called the Bow. It's 236 meters tall.
This is the Cowboy City. So we got the Marlboro horse out here. Oh yeah, this is Stephen Avenue. It's only for pedestrians. There's no cars. It's a nice place. Restaurants, lots of hair. Starts all the way over here, over there, and it stretches as far as the eye can see.
How to get them quick gains in. Lol. Yeah, I'm literally a soccer champion.
These guys seem to really love the bridges. Another one. Some cool restaurants here. I can see Wendy's. Yo! So many bridges, one after another. It's like, I can count at least 4. Calgary's a pretty big travel destination, clearly. I mean, they have like this really big Marriott hotel, and they've also got these cool scooters that you can rent out. Okay. Oh, this is the Fairmont Hotel right here behind me. And this here, folks, is the Calgary Tower. Pointed up to the sky. Up there, at the very top, we have the Sky 360 restaurant. Hey there, thank you for watching. Please leave a comment. I'm answering to all comments below.